This was a fun couple of days. Moab's a great experience, obviously. Getting to see what our customers do with their vehicles, and the customization, the degree of customization we see out here on the Jeeps, and the amount of passion that those people have for their rides, it's just absolutely energizing. And so we're extremely excited to be associated with a group of people that have so much passion for what they do.
It's a blast. Wherever you look, you can go basically. Let's get up on top of these ridges and stuff. It's really cool. Lots of rocks.
This is my second time, however, it is the first time bringing the kids out.
Well, was it like exciting, scary, or did you guys?
Exciting, scary.
Awesome.
She was saying the whole time, the Jeep is built for this. The Jeep is built for this, because that's what we told her before we took off. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thought I wanted 35s, now I definitely want 37s. So watching what they can do out here in their element is pretty awesome.
There's a lot of stuff to learn from here.
Yeah.
A lot of it comes down to confidence and experience. And you can't get experience without trying to push yourself with more confidence and going on harder trails.
Honestly, for me, I really just enjoy the people. I mean, guys like you, and getting to hang out. And we get to go out wheeling and use all the stuff that we put on these Jeeps, what we built, and actually see it work. And then we get to come back and go have a beer at the brewery and have dinner and tell our stories. And you can't get that anywhere else that I know of that I've been. There are places that are similar, but it's not Moab.